You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Yes, let's learn how to pronounce the name of this delightful village in the south of France. I actually live next door, so I can definitely tell you. It's the name of a famous sweet wine as well. Banyuls is the French pronunciation here. Banyuls. The U is pronounced like not an U, which would be the French Banyuls, but it's not pronounced that way because we're in a Catalan territory here. Like an U. Banyuls. Banyuls-sur-Mer is the name of the village, or Banyuls is the name of the wine. Banyuls. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.